When we talk about the mortgage world, you and I were talking about the mortgage world before. What's your opinion on what's going on in the mortgage world these days?
Well, a couple years ago, I was telling everyone that rates were going to go up to 8%. And I think a couple weeks ago, we saw the 10-year Treasury break the mark of 5%. And interest rates did get to 8%.
Right.
And there is a lot of misinformation from real estate agents and mortgage brokers or mortgage banks, because all they want you to do is buy a property. And at an 8% interest rate, it might not be the best time to buy a property.
Yeah.
And so, right now, mortgage rates are high.
Yeah, well, I mean, and they could go higher, right? I mean, nobody really knows. Now, your crystal ball, did you bring it with you? Because you predicted 8%. What did you say? A couple years ago, you said that.
We believe that the 10-year Treasury is going to go above 5% again, and rates will get to about 8.5%. We see it slowing down, I would say, in the third quarter of 2024.
Is that a reason why somebody should not buy a property right now?
It depends on what type of property you're going to buy and where are you going to buy that property.
Let's say if it's a primary residence.
Primary residence at rates over 8%. If you look across the United States of America and look at the median income, it doesn't support 8% interest rates.
Okay.
And I would say that, the majority of the people in America today have a 5% interest rate or better. So you're not going to see them selling their home to go buy at the peak of the market at a higher rate.
It's going to make people a little less portable.
Correct.
When you don't want to leave that interest rate that you got, like I'm at 2.99. I'd be crazy to sell my house now and try to go get an 8% rate.
Well, you're going to see the government agencies, do what's called an assumable loan. So I do see us launching that pretty soon, where you're going to take over someone's loan. That's the only way it's going to work.
Then you wish you could get in a time machine and go get a lot of loans at 2.9 or 2.5, and it'd make your property very easy to sell if you could sell that interest rate along with it.
That's why you want the best education. I was telling a lot of folks when rates were at 4%, I was able to get $10 million on a $20 million house for them, and they said, well, 4.90 is a high rate, and those individuals in Palo Alto, hello, you should have done it, because now you could invest that money and buy more properties.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a confusing world. I think the main thing is to be informed, make sure the education you're getting is from the right place, and you're not getting led down a rabbit hole of wrong information. So verify, like Ronald Reagan would always say, trust but verify. So folks, here's what I recommend. Let's clear our desks off. Let's make sure that you get that clear understanding of where you are right now, but more importantly, where you could be with the proper financial and income plan put in place, as we call it, the financial fill-up strategy, which has that growth, protection, income component. Grow your money, protect that growth, and then get income for life when you need it.